The Observatory water treatment plant is the oldest of the three urban plants. The plant was constructed in 1953 and is located on the grounds of the University of Virginia. Since that time, very little of the plant has been replaced or upgraded. The 65-year-old facility operates with much of the original equipment, which is prone to failures, and replacement parts are not readily available. The Observatory water treatment plant receives raw water from Ragged Mountain Reservoir and has capacity to provide 7.7 million gallons per day of finished water to cover 110,000 residents and businesses in the city of Charlottesville, including UVA and urban areas of Albemarle County. The Ragged Mountain Reservoir was improved in 2014 and currently provides 1.5 billion gallons of usable water storage. The Community Water Supply Plan, developed from 2002 to 2012, envisioned that this plant would undergo a comprehensive upgrade as part of the strategy to provide an adequate water supply for 50 years. Included in this project are improvements to the flocculators, filters, conveyance flumes, sedimentation basins, electrical and chemical systems, all to enhance the reliability of the plant. In addition to providing much-needed equipment replacements, the existing plant will also upgrade from 7.7 to 10 million gallons per day in treatment capacity. Upgrading the plant will support future increases in water demand and enable the urban water supply system to withstand or recover from difficult natural man-made conditions. The budget to complete this project is currently $26 million. Construction will begin in 2020 with a completion schedule for 2023.